Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are excited to share an engaging Google Ads case study for one of our client in a industry of cake shop. We will walk you through how we optimized the account and achieved impressive results for our client. The cake market is estimated to be worth over $83 billion in 2024 and is projected to grow even further in the coming years, and presents a significant opportunity for business in the cake industry to increase their revenue and expand their operations. How the client reached out to us. Our client approached us after a disappointing experience with their previous PPC agency. They were looking for a new agency that could deliver strong sales results and had a proven track record in their industry. After seeing a case study we have uploaded on YouTube, they decided to reach out to us for both SEO and PPC management. You can access that case study on the I button. Let's see the previous agency's mistakes. When we started managing the client's account, the results were not good. Spending 90,000 and generating only 20,000 sales and ROS was not good. We identified several mistakes made by the previous agency that were impacting the performance of the campaigns. They included issue with the campaign structure, issue with the audience targeting, many campaigns set up for same products, and product feed were not optimized as it should be, and conversion tracking. To address these issues and improve the client's PPC account, we took the following steps. Audit the account. We reviewed the existing campaigns and identified areas for improvement, such as poorly defined targeting, overlapping campaigns, and unoptimized product feeds. Restructuring campaigns. We organized the campaigns to ensure they were focused on specific product and target audiences, eliminating confusions and inefficiency. Optimize product feeds. We enhance the quality of the product feed by adding missing data such as prices, descriptions, and images, and ensure that all products were properly advertised. Implemented audience segmentation. We conducted thorough research to identify and define the target audience for each campaign, ensuring that ads were shown to the most relevant potential customers. Conversion tracking. We set up properly conversion tracking to accurately measure the performance of the campaigns and make data-driven decisions for optimization. Continuously optimize campaigns. We monitored and refined our campaigns to improve their performance and achieve better results, including adjusted widths, target settings, and ad creatives. So in terms of the results, as a result of these efforts, we were able to generate over $144,000 in sales with the ROS of over more than 9x after 2 to 3 months of optimizing the campaigns with best PPC practices. The client was very happy with the outcome and offered us additional PPC projects to help them achieve further success. So in terms of the conclusion, by identifying and addressing the mistakes in the client's PPC campaigns and implementing best practices, we were able to significantly improve their performance and deliver impressive results. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on PPC that can empower your business.